Hello, good morning, children's class 8th ABCD. Once again, you all are welcome. Again, I am in front of you in YouTube, sending last chapter of this profit, loss, and discount. So, dear children, I am also taking 1 or 2 days to complete these chapters. After that, you have a holidays. So, profit, loss, and discount. Last topic is left, that is goods and service, GST, goods and service taxes. So what do you mean by goods and service taxes? First of all, I have to show you a chart which is given in your book. Now look here, GST, the full form of GST is goods and service tax. Let us have a look at the bill given below. Bill number, Mohit Stores, Kamla Nagar, Delhi, and date, serial number, items नंबर इज 00785, क्वांटिटी 1. इसमें जो जीएसटी आपका 5%, रेट आपका 1000 है. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड दी 5% ऑफ 1000, दैट इज ₹50. सो दिस द वैल्यू ऑफ जीएसटी शुड बी एडेड टू दिस कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो ही और सी हैज टू पेड ₹1000 plus 50 is equal to 1050. In this way, GST should be added to the cost price. Now, what do you think does goods and service tax means? So GST is an indirect tax. Goods and service tax is an indirect tax applicable throughout India, which has replaced multiple taxes levied by the central and state government. GST comprises CGST and SGST. C for central goods and service tax, state goods and centers और सर्विस ये चार्ज करते हैं इस गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स को. लेव्ड मीन्स चार्जेस बाय सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट. सो इंटीग्रेटेड जीएसटी, IGST, द इंटीग्रेटेड जीएसटी फुल फॉर्म इज IGST, लेव्ड बाय सेंटर on interstate supply of goods and service. Now, under GST, goods and service are taxed at the following rates: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. These are the ranges of the percentage of the taxes. In some goods, you have to 0% GST, some have 5%, some have 12, 18, and 28. So only this worksheet has 3 questions. I complete this worksheet 3, and you have to complete this worksheet 3 and also do question first of brain teachers. So tomorrow I will also sending you this brain teachers. So you have to complete these chapters. Now look here, GST is charged on the cost price of an article. If cost price of an article is given and GST percent is given, then it is calculated as amount of GST is equal to GST percent upon 100 into CP. So GST percent is always calculated if cost price of given article is given, and it is added to the cost price of an article. So amount of GST, and then the value of GST should be added to the cost price of an article. So I have go for a first sum of worksheet 3. Rihanna purchased a dress for ₹5400 including 12% GST. Find the price of the dress before GST was added. Rihanna purchased a dress for ₹5400. The cost of a dress is given ₹5400 including 12% GST. इसमें 12% GST include आई. Find the price of the dress before GST was added. तो हमने प्राइस ऑफ ड्रेस निकालना है बिफोर द GST was added. So let the price of the dress before GST was added be ₹X. Now let the price of the dress before GST was added be ₹X. According to questions, X, the price of dress before GST was added, plus 12% of GST, 12% of X is equal to 5400. It is given in your questions. Now we have to find X, the cost of dress before GST was added. So X plus 12 upon 100, X is equal to 5400. LCM is 100, 100 into x, 100x plus 12x, 112 upon 100x is equal to 5400, or x is equal to 5400 into 100 upon 112, 25 4 jar 28 jar. Now 54 into 25 is equal to 1,35,000 upon 28. This is equal to 4,821.42. So the price of dress before GST was added is rupees 4,821.42. This is very important questions. Only this one questions which is lengthy one, and the other part is very simple. In these questions only you have to find GST percent is given. Here GST percent is not given. The cost of percentage of GST is given. You have to find the cost of the article before the GST was added. Now I go for question number 2. Find the amount to be paid by the following items of. Find the amount to be paid for the following items. Items if 28% GST is charged on each item. There are 3 parts. I have completed all these 3 parts, but you have to do question number 3 yourself. A chocolate at rupees 150, a laptop at rupees 55,000, a perfume, bottles. It means cost price of an article is given, but here GST percent is also given 28%. First of all, you have to find amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to GST percent upon 100 into CP, and then this value is added to the cost price of an article. This amount should be for GST should be added to the cost price of an article to find the answers. So first I go for first part, that is a chocolate. Cost of a chocolate is equal to rupees 150. Discount percent is 28. Then first find amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to GST percent upon 100 into CP. 28 upon 100 into 150. 10 5 3 are 2. 14 43 are 42. So this rupees 42 is amount of GST, and this amount should be added to the cost price of an article, cost price of a chocolate. So this amount should be paid by the customer. So therefore amount to be paid is equal to rupees 150 plus 42 is equal to rupees 192. This is. Again the other parts are also similar. What is the cost of a laptop? Rupees 50,000, 55,000. GST percent 28%. Amount of GST, GST percent upon 100 into cost price. 28 upon 100 into 55,000, 2020. 550 into 28 is equal to rupees 15,400. Now amount to be paid is equal to rupees 55,000 plus 15,400. It is equal to rupees 70,400 answers. And third, cost of a perfume bottle is equal to rupees 580. GST percent 28. GST will be same for all the articles. Amount of GST is equal to 28 upon 100 into 580 00. 58 into 28. 1,624 upon 10. It is equal to rupees 162.40. Now this amount to be paid is equal to rupees 580 plus 162.40. It is equal to rupees 724.40 answers. So homework, do questions 3 of worksheet 3 and question first of brain teasers. Now dear students, I will take 1 or 2 days, 1st July and 2nd July, to complete this brain teasers of profit loss and discount. So all the 6 chapters we have to complete it, and only 2 chapters left, that is parallel lines and introduction to graphs. They are not very lengthy, very simple. So within 10 or 15 days we have to complete the first term syllabus. We have 8 chapters in first term, so 6 we have to complete it, and only 2 chapters left. After the vacations, you have vacations starting from 1st July, but from 15th we have to start your Zoom classes, and after that 21st of July we start your YouTube lesson believers and Zoom classes side by side also. But I take only 2 days, 1st July and 2nd July, to complete this brain teasers of profit loss and discount. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.